Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'm gonna be showing you guys is how you can empty your OneDrive storage. So let's get right into it without any further ado. Now, what OneDrive is, it is basically a online cloud storage service, very reminiscent of Google Drive. This is the Microsoft version pretty much. It operates in much the same way, and it even looks very similar as you can see here. But yeah, it's used to store your files online in a cloud storage so that you can access them from several devices, and that you can update the storage itself. You can also sync a OneDrive up with your computer so that your files will be saved right here on your OneDrive account. And of course, you can pay to get more storage. As you can see, the maximum for free users is 5 gigabytes, but none of that matters for this particular tutorial. Now, as you can see, I have less than 0.1 gigabytes, and what that is basically in the Documents tab. I have created some text files, of course, of varying names, test1, test2, test3, and so on. And the way that you remove these files is, you can remove all of these here if you would like. For example, this PDF, if you want to free up that 1.1 megabytes of space, you can just select them all and just click delete right up here. However, if you don't want to delete all of this, just go into the file that you want to clear, click the check mark so that you select everything, press delete, and that is pretty much all you have to do. Let me demonstrate, but yeah, just click delete. And once you do, they'll be in your recycle bin, and then you can even restore them if you would so like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.